Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am. Mummy?
Good morning, children.
Mummy? Bag ಎತ್ಕೊಡಿಯಾ ಮುನಿಗೆ
Hey.
ಗುಂತು
How much you talk in Kannada?
ಕೋಚಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆ ಗುಂತು ಮಿಂದ ಕಾದು
Good morning, children.
ఏమేమి ఇచ్చినారు సుధమ్మ టానిక ఏమిదే చాక్లెట్ సప్తచ్చల్లంట
Repeat. You should not talk in Kannada. Okay. Good morning,
Mummy?
children.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
So all are present.
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿತಲ್ಲ
Prithvi, unmute your video and talk. Okay. You should not talk in Kannada.
ಓಕೆ
Mute your video and talk. Okay, children. All add your breakfast.
Pratik Raje. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all wrote your test, children, properly.
मम्मी अचानक बैग लेकर आ रहा हूँ
Y'all can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all came.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will call the name. You have to say present or absent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So all came. So let me take attendance, children. All came. Whose name I'm calling? I'll have to say present. Okay. Others should not talk in between. Okay, children. Whose name I'm calling? You have to say present or absent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Harati,
Present, ma'am.
Banushri. Banushri is present or absent? Chandana. Chandana is not here. Charish.
Present, ma'am.
Dhanashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanashri present.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dhanashri, are you present, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Dheeraj. Arshita K. Arshita K.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Present,
Arshita K is present. Emisha.
ma'am.
Eitanshi. Eitanshi is present or absent? Joshna. Joshna.
Present, ma'am.
Krutya.
Present, ma'am.
Mahendra Reddy.
Present, ma'am.
Niharika. Niharika.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Prapti. Preeta.
ma'am.
Prapti present. Preetam. Preetam. Raghavendra. Suman.
Present, ma'am.
Kanmashri.
Present.
Ramogna Teju. Varsha. Varsha. Varsha is not here. Varun.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, children. So 2 weeks you have been having test, isn't it? So we did not have class. So in today's class, we're going to continue our chapter. Okay, children. But before starting the class, we have to do exercise, meditation, and then we Prithvik Reddy. What is your name? New admission. Prithvik? Catch. Okay, so let's start our class by doing exercise and meditation. Okay, all hands up, children. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Clap your hands. All do flower clap, children. All do silence clap. Okay, all do butterfly clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next change. Okay, all do rain clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children, now sit straight, clasp your fingers. Keep it on your lap.
1,
Slowly
2,
breathe in,
1.
breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, open your eyes slowly. Sit straight. Everyone, mute your videos. Okay, all have textbooks, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you have textbook, take page number 14 and keep. Okay. Page number 14.
14, ma'am.
Yes, 1, 4, 14. Okay. So, if for test, all wrote your test properly, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in first chapter, we did not learn this processing unit. Okay, about CPU, I did not teach you all. Okay, so in today's class, we're going to see about central processing unit, about CPU. Okay, so all mute your videos and listen to me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So first, processing. Do anyone know what is processing, children? So I will. Okay, I will teach you all. Okay. So we have learned IPO cycle, no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the meaning of IPO? Aarti can mute your video and you can say me. IPO, expand IPO. I stands for
Ma'am, what is page number, ma'am?
IPO. Say the full form of IPO. Input.
Input, processing, output, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Who asked me page number? Page number 14.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. For this IPO cycle, we have seen many examples, isn't it? Like fruits, cooking food like this, we have seen many examples. No. So in computer, okay, in computer, where the processing will be done, we're going to see in today's class. Okay. So where all the processing will be done in computer, children? Okay, so all the processing will be done in the CPU. Okay.
CPU. Okay, ma'am.
Where all the processing will be done?
CPU, ma'am.
So tell me the full form of CPU, children.
C for computer system.
Okay, see, name itself we have central processing unit. Which is the brain of the computer?
CPU.
CPU.
Ma'am.
CPU. Okay. See, for us also the main part of the body is brain. Okay. So whatever we are learning, whatever we are remembering, everything will be stored in the brain, isn't it? Even in computer, if CPU is not there, there is no any use. So CPU is the brain of the computer. Everyone mute your videos, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Who did not mute your videos? Even you all will get disturbed. Your friends also will get disturbed. Mute. Okay, so all the processing, whatever we are doing in the computer, everything will be stored in the CPU. Okay, children? We
Okay,
are,
ma'am.
I'll show you the children, say the full form of CPU.
Central processing unit.
Everyone can see the picture, right?
Yes, ma'am.
CPU is central
processing unit.
and everyone mute your video. And it is the brain of the computer, processing device of a computer. See, name itself we have processing. So all the processing will be done in the CPU. Okay, children? We have three main units in the CPU. Okay. How many units we have, children?
Three units, ma'am. 3 units.
What, Prithya?
I can't hear you, ma'am.
You can't hear me.
No,
I did not unmute only. See second picture. Children, here we have three main units in the computer. Okay. Arithmetic, repeat after me. Arithmetic logical unit.
Arithmetic logical unit.
Control unit.
Control unit.
Memory unit. So these are the three units of the computer. What are the three units of computer? Arithmetic logical unit.
Central processing unit.
Arithmetic logical unit. So you have this diagram in the book, no children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here, observe this diagram carefully, okay? See first what we have. This whole diagram. Listen to me. All unmute your videos. See, this whole diagram is called CPU box. What it is called as?
CPU box.
Box. Okay. Now you see this diagram carefully. In CPU, the input will go. See, first we will give input, no children. When we give input, it will go and store in the memory unit. Where it will go and store?
Memory unit. Memory unit.
Whatever we are doing in the computer.
Memory unit. Memory unit.
Okay, everything will go and store in the memory unit. So after storing in the memory unit, it will come to arithmetic logical unit. Okay, I'll teach you all this and all. After going to memory unit, again it will come to arithmetic logical unit. Finally, we will get the output. Okay, children? Did you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever, see first we will give input to the computer. No children, whatever we are doing in the computer, it will, no one should touch the screen. It will go to memory unit. Yes. So after going to memory unit, again it will come to arithmetic logical unit. And finally, we will get the output storage unit. Okay, children? This diagram you all have to do for today's homework. 2 times you have to write and send me. Okay? Yes, this diagram. Okay, children, did you understand the diagram? I will send you all in the group, okay?
Okay.
After explaining 1 second, I'll show you all this diagram. Okay, see children, in computer, in CPU, we have 3 parts, okay? I told you all, no?
Yes, ma'am. Logical unit.
I told you all, no, we have 3 units in the computer.
Yes, ma'am.
So first is arithmetic logical unit. Okay. So what is this arithmetic logical unit? It's okay, stop. So in CPU, we have 3 units. So in that first is arithmetic logical unit. So in this arithmetic logical unit, what we will do means all the mathematical sums. Okay. So a computer is used for solving the sums also, no children? So this arithmetic logical unit only helps us to do all the sums, okay, all the arithmetic operations. So what are the arithmetic operations?
Orange juice.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and all you will do in the maths class, no children?
Yes.
So that and all the sums we will able to do in the arithmetic logical unit. Okay. Did you understood, children?
Yes.
All the sums, whatever mathematics we are doing in the computer, no, with help of this arithmetical logical unit only we can do on the computer. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So next we have logical operation.
Okay.
Next what we have?
Logical operations.
Arithmetic operation is used for doing the calculation like addition. Yes. Tell me. Yeah, tell me who called me.
Krutya.
Tell me, children. Tell me, Krutya.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I can't see the screen, ma'am.
You can. Other children can see.
Yes, ma'am. I can see, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I can see, ma'am.
Okay. So I told you with the help of arithmetic operation. Who is that talking in between? Varuna or Prithvika?
Aarti, ma'am.
So arithmetic operation. In the arithmetic operation, what and all we can do, children? See here. Addition,
Subtraction, multiplication, division.
Okay. And all the sums what we are doing in the computer with help of arithmetic operation only we can do. Okay. So next, logical operation. So what is this logical operation means? See children, now you wrote all the test, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the marks for the test is 25, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
In computer you got 25. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In maths you got 25. In all the subject you have got 25, but in one subject you did not get 25. Okay, for example, you got 8 or 9 marks. Whether we can say it is full, whether you are passed or failed, children?
Pass.
Oh, you're fail. Okay. See, now in computer, if you're getting only 9 marks, in other subject, if you get out, it is not pass. Okay, it is fail. For comparing that, for comparing all the marks, we use this logical operations. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you see this and or not? So these and all is used for seeing whether you are passed or fail. If you get good marks in all the subject, if you get less mark in one subject, it is fail. For comparing like this, we use this logical operation. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Did you understand these two things?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
What, Krutya?
Ma'am, that one we should write, ma'am, in class work.
No. Whatever you have to write, I will mention in the group. So now you listen, okay?
We should write in the class. Okay, ma'am.
Oh, children, what you have to write, I will mention in the group. That only you have to write, okay?
You will send in the group, no, ma'am.
I will send it. Yes.
We should write in the class work. You will send the photo in group. Write in the class work, ma'am.
Children, listen here. Whatever you have to write after completing the class, I will give you all, okay? Don't ask me the questions in between. Did you understand these two, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So arithmetic operation, we will do all the sums like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So logical operation, we will see whether you are passed or failed, comparing the marks. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Relational operation. Okay. So what is this relational operation means? You can't see.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I did not share. Wait. I did not share.
ఎవడు పెట్టు
ఈడు సపోర్ట్ పెట్టు వాళ్ళకి కనిపిస్తాండవు నువ్వు బాగా
Can you see, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
So relational operation is nothing but comparing. Okay. Now you will compare marks with your friends and all, no, children? See, my
Yes.
mark is 25. What is your mark? You will ask and you will compare, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for example, Tanmay gets 25, Emisha gets 24. You will compare. See, my marks is 25. Your marks is 24. Like this, we will compare. No, for comparing the marks, we will use this relational operation. Okay, children? You will
Relational operations.
You go and stand with your friends. No, see, I am height, you are short. We will compare. No, who's height, who's short, and all. Like
Yes.
this, for comparing, we use this relational operations. Okay.
Subject one last marks.
Less than, equal to, everything you have learned in your math, children. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, everything you have learned, children.
Yes, ma'am. We learned.
For doing like, for comparing, we use this relational operations. Did you understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand these three parts of computer? Sorry, three parts of CPU. Arithmetic operation,
Yes, ma'am.
logical operation, and relational operation.
Relational operations.
Okay. Did you understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we will learn control unit. Okay. So what next we going to learn?
Control.
Control unit. We learned arithmetic, logical unit. So next we going to learn control unit. Okay.
Control unit.
Okay. Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, in a school, who controls everyone?
Principal.
Very good.
Principal.
Principal ma'am only controls all the school. In our school, no, children. So what subject we have to take, how the class should be done, everything principal ma'am only controls, no, children. So same way, even in computer, all the things will be controlled by control unit. Okay, it is present in the CPU. All the things, whatever we are doing in the computer, everything will be controlled in the controls and coordinates the activities. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
All of the controls and coordinates the activities of all the other units of a computer system. So whatever we are doing in the computer, everything will be controlled by the control unit. Yes,
Ma'am.
tell me, ma.
Ma'am,
What
what is meaning of coordinates, ma'am?
See, now, for example, first period in a school, what we will take? English, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So after prior, if you go to class, we will take English class. So full day we will take English class only, Krutya.
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
after English, Kannada. After Kannada, Maths. Like this, we have to coordinate. Then only we can complete the chapters, isn't it? So same way, even in computer, controls and coordinates, whatever we are doing, what we have to do, how we have to do, everything will be controlled in the control unit. Okay.
Control unit.
Next point is controls all the operations of the computer. Now we learned to know arithmetic operation, logical operation, relational operation. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that operations and all will be controlled here only. In control unit only, we will able to do the sums. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Third point. Decode instruction. What is third point?
Decode section.
Decode instruction. Okay. See children, first of all, you have to know one thing. Okay. So computer cannot understand any language. Okay, children. Computer cannot understand any language. Now we are going and sitting in the computer. We will type English, Kannada, Hindi and all. No. So that language computer will not even understand. Computer will understand only binary language. What language computer will understand?
Binary language.
0 and 1. Only 0 and 1 only computer will understand. What are the two numbers computer will understand? 0 and 1. Okay. So this 0 and 1 only will, this decodes instruction, that 0 and only 1 will able to understand. Okay. For you all understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Computer will not understand any language, only 0 and 1. That 0 and 1, for following that only we use this decodes instruction. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So next, memory unit. Okay. Did you understand this control unit, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the memory unit. Children, whatever you are learning, where you will store and keep?
My
Brain.
memory unit. Ma'am.
So whatever we are learning, whatever we are seeing, everything you will store in the brain, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when you see someone, today you're seeing someone. So after many years, if you see them, can you remember them?
Yes, ma'am.
No. We have memory, isn't it? We can see, oh, that day I saw you, you only know like this. If you will go and talk, no. So today I am taking this chapter. So next Monday, if I ask, you will remember or you will not remember?
Will remember, ma'am.
Remember, because we have memory, isn't it? So same way, even in computer, we have memory unit. So whatever we are doing in the computer, everything will be stored and kept, isn't? First is receives data. So data is nothing but information. Whatever information we are giving to the computer, everything will be stored where, children? In which unit?
Memory unit.
Memory unit. Okay, so whatever data we are giving to the computer, it will be stored in the memory unit. Okay, children. So next is OLS data. Whatever data we are giving to the computer, it will be able to hold and keep. Okay. It will not be deleted or it will not be gone. So we will hold and keep. Okay, children. So next, delivers it according to the instruction by the control unit. So whatever we want, it will be delivered according to the control unit. Okay, children, did you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All the points what I've explained you all today, can you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you all can ask me.
No doubt, ma'am.
No
doubt,
doubt,
ma'am.
And I will ask you all the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone, mute your videos, children. Whose name I'm calling, only they have to answer.
Ma'am.
What, Tanvi?
What is this? We will call ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
I did not talk to you. Page number, Tanmay?
15, ma'am. What, ma'am?
Where it is the arithmetic logical unit.
Yes, ma'am.
That only I explained, you all know. For doing the sums in the
I don't know to tell arithmetic, ma'am, so that I asked you, ma'am.
arithmetic logical unit. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Varun, unmute your video and tell me the full form of CPU. Varun?
Ma'am, I will
It
tell.
stands for-
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Wait, I will give chance for everyone. First, Varun have to say. Varun? Varun, where are you, Varun? Tell me.
Ma'am.
Tell me the full form of CPU.
Ma'am.
Tell me the full form of CPU, Varun.
CPU.
Not your voice.
Control, shall I tell, ma'am?
Okay, I can't hear you properly.
Control unit processing.
Control.
Processing output, ma'am.
Okay, stop. What are the 3 units of CPU?
Arithmetic and logic unit.
Okay, Varsha.
Logical unit.
Varsha,
Relational unit.
who's that? Who shared something? Prithvi.
Ma'am.
Prithvi. Varsha will say me, what are the 3 units of CPU? ALU.
Unit, control unit, memory unit.
Very good. Clap for Varsha. All clap for Varsha. What are the 3 units of CPU?
Logical unit, memory unit.
Memory unit. Okay. So in under arithmetical logical unit, we have 3 operations. No. So Tanmay, tell me the 3 operations.
Arithmetic, logical unit,
Arithmetic,
logical unit, relational unit.
Very good. Clap for Tanmay. So in Emisha,
Ma'am,
in arithmetical logical unit, what we can do, dear?
we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Very good. Clap for Remisha. Mahinder Reddy. In logical unit, what we will do, pa? In logical unit. We will compare the marks. Okay. See, if you're getting full marks in all the subject, if you get less mark in one subject, how to see whether it is fail or pass? No. For seeing that and all, we use this logical unit. Okay. Did you understand, Mahinder Reddy?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to say if you did not understand. I asked, no. If you're not understanding anything, you should ask me. Okay? Prapti. What we will do in relational operation, Prapti? Where is Prapti? She's present now. Prapti? Okay, Joshna, you tell me, Joshna. In